Welcome back to MindHack AI. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money using AI automation in 2025, even if you're a complete beginner. Seriously, this is a game changer. AI automation is one of the fastest ways to earn money because once you set it up, it continues working for you 24/7. It's like building your own team of digital employees. So if you're ready to build an income that works while you sleep, let's dive right in. So, what exactly is AI automation? It's simpler than it sounds. It just means using powerful AI tools to do tasks automatically for you. Think about things like writing articles, editing videos, doing research, creating social media content, and even handling customer support. You set up the system one time, and the AI keeps doing the job over and over again. This is how you can create semi-passive or even fully passive income streams that don't require you to trade your time for money. The future is here, and it's time to leverage it. Alright, let's talk about the first and most profitable method, YouTube automation. This is a massive opportunity. With the latest AI, you don't need to show your face on camera, you don't have to record your own voice. You don't need to spend hours doing manual editing, and you don't even have to write the scripts yourself. Everything can be automated by incredible AI tools. For scripts, you can use ChatGPT. For a realistic voiceover, Eleven Labs is amazing. For editing, CapCut has powerful features. For eye-catching thumbnails, Canva is your best friend. And for creating unique video clips, tools like Peka Labs are perfect. Finally, to make sure your videos get found, Vidiq helps with SEO. Now, how do you actually make money with this? There are several ways. First, there's YouTube ad revenue, which kicks in once you're monetized. Then you have affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn a commission. As your channel grows, you'll get sponsored ads from brands. And you can also sell your own digital products, like courses or ebooks. The best part is choosing a profitable niche. Some of the top ones right now are AI and tech tutorials, motivation and self-help, celebrity documentaries, anything related to money and business, and history or fascinating facts channels. Once your channel starts to grow, it's very possible to make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. It takes work upfront, but the payoff is huge. Next up, Method 2, TikTok and Shorts automation. Short-form content is absolutely exploding right now on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. The key is volume, and AI can help you create 20 to 50 videos per day, fully automated. Your only job is to upload them. It's that simple. You earn money from the TikTok Creativity Program, the YouTube Shorts Fund, and the Instagram Bonus Program. Plus, you can add affiliate links to your bio and get brand deals. The AI tools for this are super accessible. You can use CapCut templates for quick edits, ChatGPT for viral scripts, Peka for generating AI video clips, and Eleven Labs for voiceovers. People are already making $200 to $1,000 per week just from this method alone. Method number 3 is AI blog automation. Imagine having a website that generates passive income. AI can write full articles for you. And we're not talking 1 or 2, we're talking over 100 high-quality articles per month. You create a simple website on a topic you're interested in, automate the content creation, and earn money from Google Ads placed on your site, affiliate marketing by recommending products within your articles, and selling your own digital downloads. The tools you'll need are ChatGPT for writing, Surfersio to make sure your articles rank well on Google, WordPress for your website, and Jasper AI as another powerful writing assistant. Once your articles start ranking on Google, this becomes a truly passive income stream. Let's move on to method number 4, AI social media automation. This is perfect if you want to run a service-based business. Every business out there needs a social media presence, which means daily posts, ads, captions, and customer engagement. But it's a ton of work. That's where you come in. AI can do all of this for you, allowing you to manage multiple clients at once. You can easily charge clients anywhere from $100 to $500 per month, per client. Imagine having 10 clients. The AI handles post creation, writing engaging captions, finding the best hashtags, scheduling content in advance, and even editing short-form videos like Reels. The go-to tools for this are ChatGPT, Buffer for scheduling, Canva for graphics, and CapCut for video. Method number 5 is all about AI-powered digital products. This is the definition of passive income. You create a digital product once, and you can sell it forever. AI makes the creation process incredibly fast. Examples of products you can automate include ebooks, design templates, Notion planners, collections of AI prompts, digital courses, and even YouTube thumbnail packs. You can sell these products on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and Fiverr, or directly on your own website for a bigger profit margin. Many creators are earning anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month passively from digital products alone. Method 6 is offering AI chatbot services. This is a hot, in-demand skill right now. Businesses want to use AI chatbots on their websites for 24/7 customer support and lead generation, but they don't know how to build them. The good news is, you can build a powerful chatbot with AI tools, with absolutely no coding needed. You can use platforms like BotPress, Customed, or ManyHat to create and deploy these bots for your clients. How much can you charge? Easily $100 to $1,000 for the initial setup, plus a recurring monthly fee for maintenance. It's a fantastic business model with high-ticket clients. And now for our bonus method, supercharging your freelancing with AI. If you're already a freelancer on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or PeoplePerher, AI is your secret weapon. You can use it to deliver your work faster and at a higher quality. Some of the most popular services you can accelerate with AI are video editing, voiceovers, thumbnail design, script writing, article writing, and creating social media posts. Instead of taking hours, a job might take you minutes. AI helps you finish jobs 10 times faster, which means you can take on more clients and earn way more money in less time. AI automation is truly the biggest opportunity we'll see in 2025. If you start learning and building now, you can create multiple income streams that grow over time, even while you're sleeping. It's about working smarter, not harder. If you want more in-depth tutorials, tool recommendations, free scripts, and more AI earning strategies, make sure to subscribe to MindHack AI and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.